JASMY down roughly 1.48% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours in a very significant manner. The EMA explicitly is as of now at $0 in unpretentious manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy Coin for the most part is floating at $90,155,432 in a sort of huge manner. JASMY basically has its really next obstruction at $0, a genuinely significant manner. The 30th of April 2023. In this article we will walk you through Jasmy Coin cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these much of the time generally sought clarification on some pressing issues. What sort of is extremely momentary cost expectation for Jasmy Coin? By and large is JASMY a genuinely wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Jasmy Coin support and opposition levels and so forth, which really is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping essentially profound into the JASMY specialized investigation, let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which is genuinely huge. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,207,439,266,683 in a really significant manner. The really complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $29,197,739,992 and in every practical sense significant way. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%, which especially is very huge, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%. Or so they in a real sense thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a value decline of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a value reduction of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.84 and at present exchanging at 48 cents in a very huge manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum has seen a value diminishing of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market is going in a truly descending course for essentially present moment, which for the most part is very critical. Right now, an especially broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which really is genuinely huge. Jasmy Coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how JASMY in a real sense has its genuinely next opposition at $0. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become essentially more genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Jasmy Coin support and obstruction levels and so on in a very significant manner. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants truly become pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following really are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy Coin. Jasmy Coin execution. The especially current Jasmy Coin cost for the most part is $0, with an exchanging volume of $90,155,432 in the sort of beyond 24 hours kind of additional appearance how the EMA in every practical sense is right now at $0, which generally is very critical. Right now, JASMY really is somewhere near 1.48% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $22,426,275 USD. Beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy Coin value examination. JASMY cost examination for the 30th of April 2023 inside and in every way that really matters. Day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath in a sort of large manner. We utilize sort of relative strength index, moving in every practical sense, normal assembly and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving in every practical sense. Normal and outstanding moving sort of normal to basically break down the future development of the Jasmy coin. Sort of additional appearance how the exceptionally all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $29,197,739,992 extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining beneath of the all things considered signal line after a hybrid, which especially shows that Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every way that really matters are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how JASMY truly has its really next obstruction at $0, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin financial backers need to in every practical sense sit tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day diagram. So the 30th of April 2023. In this article we will truly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and certainly attempt to answer these habitually most certainly gotten clarification on pressing issues. What basically is truly transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin. Explicitly is JASMY an excellent interest in a fundamentally significant manner. Jasmy coin fundamentally is moving in descending course as explicitly bears effectively generally take the coin underneath quick help level of $0 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Presently JASMY ought to track down a help at $0. In all likelihood the merchants could then focus on the critical help level put at $0, exhibiting that Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, which in every practical sense is very huge. The very relative strength file for JASMY coin is as of now floating at 19 for 14 days fundamentally normal line, which generally implies JASMY especially is an oversold zone and a pattern pretty inversion basically is conceivable. Sort of additional appearance how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM basically has seen a value diminishing of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours, showing how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM by and large has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While JASMY's Williams % R marker fundamentally is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange extremely signal really is genuinely conceivable at this reach in a truly significant manner, and Jasmy coin explicitly is currently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to sort of suggest that the cryptographic money for the most part is in a tricky circumstance that can't in every practical sense be redressed, which for the most part shows that Jasmy coin in every way that really matters is moving in every practical sense. Descending course as by and large bears effectively especially take the coin underneath quick help level of $0, which for the most part is genuinely critical, regardless of whether the cost in every practical sense is falling consistently. It sort of is guessed that the two help levels will truly act major areas of strength for as and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more.